नमस्कार एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल द गीकी योगिन। मेरा नाम वन्या है और मैं एक सर्टिफाइड अष्टांग योगा ट्रेनर हूँ। और आज हम बात करेंगे 5 ऐसे आसन की, 5 ऐसी योगा पोस्चर्स की जिससे हम अपने डायबिटीज़ को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। जी हाँ, डायबिटीज़ एक लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज़ है, लेकिन अगर हम अपने लाइफस्टाइल को इम्प्रूव कर लें, विच इंक्लूड्स आवर डाइट, आवर न्यूट्रिशन and our exercise regime, it can be managed effectively. बात करते हैं 5 योगा postures for diabetes. The first posture in this series, which is going to help us manage diabetes better, is the Matsyendrasana. इसको आप देखें, आप दोनों पैरों को इस तरीके से सामने एक्सटेंड करें। आप अपने राइट फुट को फोल्ड करें, बेंड करें एट द नी एंड कीप इट ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ योर लेफ्ट फुट नियर द नी एंड टेक योर लेफ्ट फुट एंड कीप इट ऑन द अदर साइड। इसको सामने से भी देखते हैं एक बार। आपके दोनों पैर सामने हैं, आपने अपने राइट फुट को बेंड किया, उसको अपने लेफ्ट फुट के लेफ्ट साइड में रखा, अपने लेफ्ट फुट को आपने अपने राइट हिप के पास रखा एंड देन अगर आपका राइट फुट एलिवेटेड है, यू विल टेक योर लेफ्ट हैंड अप एंड यू विल ट्राई टू ब्रिंग योर एल्बो आउटसाइड ऑफ योर राइट लेग एंड ग्रैब योर फुट एंड विद योर राइट हैंड you will support yourself and you will look to the other side like this. So that's where you should feel a good twist in your body, and we should remember that our pancreas, which are responsible for insulin production, are getting compressed and stimulated while we do this posture. So you maintain this for 8 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lovely. Now gently take your left hand out and relax. Now we are going to do it the other side. For that, you bend your left foot, place it on the right hand side of your right foot, and you bend your right leg. Take your right hand up and bring it towards the left foot. Grab your left foot and turn towards your left side. Beautiful. You will feel a good twist and entire organs in the abdominal cavity are getting massaged. Look towards the left side. Beautiful. Stay there for 8 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. Come back. Release your arms. Release your legs. The second posture that's very effective in managing the diabetes is called as the Pashchimottanasana. For Pashchimottanasana also, you extend your legs in front and using lower back, start movement and fold forward. You will use your first 2 fingers and your thumb to grab your big toe like this. If you have flexibility challenges due to your hamstring, you can bend your knee, but please remember to look forward and use your lower back to bend forward. You will again feel a beautiful compression in your abdominal cavity, which is very effective in managing the diabetes. Stay there for 8 breaths. 1, fantastic. Come back up. The third posture that's very effective in helping with diabetes is called as the Trikonasana. For Trikonasana, you gently get up like this. Start from the side of your mat extend your legs, extend your arms, turn your right foot 90 degrees, your left foot 30 degrees, and using the sides, you should feel a compression on your right hand side and a stretch on your left. You go down like this. You should feel a good compression on your right hand side, and you have to keep your head on top of your foot. If you are comfortable, you can look up. Stay there for 8 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gently come up. We're going to do the other side. So bring your right foot in, take your left foot out, and go down on your left hand side. Again, this time you should feel a very good compression on your left hand side and a good stretch on the right hand side. Stay there for 8 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. Gently come up and join your feet. The next posture that's very effective in this is called as the Uttanasana. For Uttanasana, again, keep your feet shoulder distance apart. Take your hands up, join at your elbows and go down. You can bend your knee. But the idea is to keep the spine straight and go down. You can bend your knees further, but keep your spine absolutely straight. Stay there for 8 breaths. 1, 2, compress your core. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gently come up, up, and release your hands. Wonderful. Come back, sit down on your mat. And so these were the postures that are effective for managing diabetes. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel, and namaskar.